only does American Battery Factory's new 2 million square foot factory represent a massive investment and hundreds of high-paying jobs for Arizonans, this transformational investment will accelerate the growth of the clean energy sector in our state and across the country.
I think this has started something special. In my view, it has the opportunity and the potential to be transformative in many ways. And it starts with high-end manufacturing, right? The machines that we'll be using, and then we get to bring American expertise to bear. Ready to work hard, ready to learn and grow, and ready to lead and deliver. This is really part of our collective efforts to deliver battery cells that are really foundational to our energy future.
American Battery Factory will bring long-term, high-wage jobs and help us anchor Tucson and Pima County as leaders in new EV technology and improved energy storage efficiency.
This project is transformational. It validates our position as a player in the clean energy revolution that's occurring. Today needs to be a day of celebration because of the significance that this has on our future.
I think we as a community have much to celebrate today with this groundbreaking for American Battery Factory and all it represents for ABF and Pima County. You have committed to accepting a tremendous challenge, and we all wish ABF magnificent success going forward.
We welcome a new company that will play an important role in moving Pima County, our state, and our country in a more environmentally conscious and sustainable direction.
Arizona is quickly becoming a global epicenter for sustainable technologies. We couldn't be more excited to have you join Arizona, and we look forward to supporting you in your success for many years to come.